There are a number of memory-boosting foods to help us focus and concentrate throughout the day, such as fatty fish, dark chocolate, and a variety of vegetables and fruit. What is the connection between food and memory? According to Medical News Today, the brain is an energy-dense organ. This organ uses about 20% of the body's calories to maintain concentration throughout the day. The brain also needs certain nutrients to stay healthy. Omega-3 fatty acids, for example, help build and repair brain cells. Meanwhile, antioxidants help reduce cell stress and inflammation associated with brain aging and neurodegenerative disorders, such as Alzheimer's. Memory-boosting foods that can improve memory and overall brain health are still being studied. However, according to the Mayo Clinic, a number of studies have advised us to adopt a meal plan that provides healthy fat choices and a variety of plant foods rich in phytonutrients. In addition, avoid consuming unhealthy sources of fat and remember to continue to eat a variety of foods to meet the nutritional needs of the brain. Here are a number of good memory-boosting foods consumed regularly. 1. Fat fish. Fatty fish is one of the memory-boosting foods because it is high in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help build membranes around body cells, including brain cells, and help improve the structure of neuron cells. A 2017 study found that individuals who consumed a lot of omega-3 sources experienced increased blood flow in the brain. Researchers have also identified a link between omega-3 levels and better cognitive or thinking abilities. Some fatty fish that are high in omega-3s include salmon, tuna, sardines, and mackerel. Apart from fatty fish, omega-3 can also be obtained from soybeans, nuts, flax seeds, and other grains. Also read tuna or salmon, which is healthier. 2. Dark chocolate. The cocoa in chocolate contains flavonoid antioxidants. Antioxidants are very important for health, one of which is for brain health because this organ is very vulnerable to oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related cognitive decline and brain disease. That's why it's no wonder that chocolate is included in the list of memory-boosting foods. According to a 2013 review, dark chocolate is said to promote the growth of neurons and blood vessels in parts of the brain involved in memory and learning, as well as stimulate blood flow in the brain. Meanwhile, a 2018 study conducted on humans supports the brain-enhancing effects of dark chocolate. The researchers used imaging methods to see activity in the brain after participants ate chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. They concluded that eating this type of dark chocolate can increase brain plasticity, which is essential for learning, as well as other brain benefits. 3. Berries. Berries are also rich in flavonoid antioxidants, making them one of the best memory-boosting foods. Antioxidants in berries include anthocyanins, caffeic acid, catechins, and quercetin. A 2014 review notes that the antioxidant compounds in berries have many positive effects on the brain, including increasing communication between brain cells, reducing inflammation throughout the body, increasing plasticity, which helps brain cells form new connections, increasing learning abilities and memory, as well as reducing or delaying age-related neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. Some berries include strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds may also be good memory-boosting foods because they contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. A 2014 study found that eating high amounts of nuts overall was associated with better brain function at older ages. Nuts and seeds are also rich sources of the antioxidant vitamin E, which protects cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. A 2014 review found that vitamin E may contribute to improved cognition and a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. Nuts and seeds that are high in vitamin E include sunflower seeds and almonds. However, more research is needed to confirm the effects of vitamin E on the brain. 5. Whole wheat. According to BBC Good Food, the ability to concentrate and focus comes from an adequate and steady supply of energy in our blood to the brain. The energy in question is in the form of glucose. To get it, we can ensure adequate energy by choosing sources in the form of whole wheat which has a low GI. This means that food releases its energy slowly into the bloodstream, keeping us mentally alert throughout the day. That is why whole grain sources can be said to be one of the memory-enhancing foods. Eating too few healthy carbohydrates can cause brain fog and make a person more irritable. Some types of whole grains include whole grain cereals, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread and pasta. 6. Avocado. Avocados are a source of healthy unsaturated fats and are one of the memory-enhancing foods. Consumption of monounsaturated fats can reduce blood pressure, while high blood pressure is associated with cognitive decline. So, by reducing high blood pressure, the unsaturated fats in avocados can help lower the risk of cognitive decline. In addition to avocados, sources of healthy unsaturated fats include almonds, cashews and peanuts, flax seeds and chia seeds, soybean oil, sunflower seeds, walnuts, and fish. 7. Eggs. Certain B vitamins, such as B6, B12, and folic acid, are believed to reduce blood levels of the compound homocysteine. Elevated homocysteine levels are associated with an increased risk of stroke, cognitive impairment, and Alzheimer's disease. A study involving a group of elderly patients with mild cognitive impairment treated with high doses of B6, B12, and folic acid. After 2 years, the researchers found significantly lower brain shrinkage compared to the subset given the placebo treatment. Other B vitamins, including vitamins B1, B3, and choline, play an important role in regulating normal brain function. Choline is essential for the brain chemical acetylcholine, which improves memory. Eggs contain all of these beneficial nutrients. In addition to eggs, foods rich in B vitamins that can be memory-boosting foods include chicken, fish, green leafy vegetables, and milk. Vegans can choose sources of B vitamins such as avocados, soybeans, nuts, and seeds. 8. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, bok choy, cabbage, and kale also make great memory-boosting foods. Broccoli, for example, is rich in glucosinolate compounds. When breaking down compounds, the body will produce isothiocyanates, which can help reduce oxidative stress and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Broccoli also contains vitamin C and flavonoids. These antioxidants can help improve a person's brain health. 9. Turmeric. Turmeric contains the compound curcumin, which is excellent for improving brain function. According to a number of studies, consuming curcumin can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and lower cognitive decline as you age. That is why turmeric is one of the memory-enhancing foods. We can include turmeric in rice dishes, potatoes, and other dishes, or consumed as a drink. 10. Green leafy vegetables. According to Today, green leafy vegetables like spinach are also memory-boosting foods and are considered a staple in a brain-healthy diet. This is due to the content of folate, a type of B vitamin that supports nerve development and neurotransmitter function. Folate deficiency is associated with increased depressive symptoms and cognitive aging. 11. Fermented foods. Fermentation involves adding food to a culture of microorganisms which then eat up the sugars in the food. This process creates other products, such as lactic acid, which can produce friendly gut bacteria. When you eat fermented foods and get good gut health, you can also improve cognitive function. That is why fermented foods are good memory-enhancing foods. Some fermented foods include kimchi, kombucha, kefir, and yogurt. However, most fermented foods can make us bloated. So, if you feel any discomfort, reduce your intake. Also check food labels to make sure what we buy and consume is truly fermented. That's the video this time. If you think this video is useful, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends so we can continue to provide interesting content. Thank you for watching.